welcome back to my channel, and hello and welcome if you're joining us for the first time. My name's Tara and I do makeup tutorials and things like that here on my channel. So if that tickles your fancy, then please by all means hit that subscribe button. It would mean the absolute world to me. Hit the like button, hit that notification bell so you get updated every single time I upload a new video, which is every Saturday here on my channel, apart from today because today is Sunday that I'm uploading this video. But I'm here and this is my first look of Halloween 2020. What do you guys think? I've done a little bit of a teary clown confetti on my face. I'm absolutely loving it. So guys, 2020 has been a trying year. We're nearly at the end of 2020. Can you believe it? I don't know where this year's gone. I don't think anybody does, to be honest. But we're celebrating Halloween on this channel, even if we can't all be together and do the normal Halloween things and trick-or-treating things that we want to do. Yeah, but I'm going to be painting my face on Halloween and watching some scary movies because that's what I normally do anyway. But yeah, I hope you guys are all doing really, really well in these trying times. We're all in it together, we're all doing it together. So I just thought I'd bring you this fun and quirky Halloween look. This is one of my 3 looks that I'm doing this year, so I hope you really enjoy it. Maybe I might throw in a 4th look, I don't know yet, but let me know in the comments down below if you like this one. So this one is just a little sad clown with confetti on my face and I'm absolutely loving it. So guys, enjoy the video. I hope that you like it, and if you do have any suggestions for any Halloween looks that you'd like me to do, pop it in the comments and I will try and do my best for you guys as always. So I love you all, enjoy the video and get your snacks and a duvet because it's gonna be a good one. Right, I did put on some Halloween headband, but you can't see it. So anyway guys, it's spooky season, my favourite time of the year, and I know that 2020 we're probably not going to be doing Halloween this year or trick-or-treating or anything like that, but you could basically hide sweets in the house and let the little ones dress up, rummage through the house and look for sweets, knocking on each door and having a grown-up in the room that's hidden some sweets in there for them. That'll probably be a really good idea. Carve some pumpkins, have some pumpkin parties and with the little ones and carve your pumpkins. Another thing to do, bake some cookies maybe, that's a shout. If the children are a little bit older, maybe like do some finger foods, some things like that, do you know what I mean? Like if they're a little bit older, basically have like a little bit of a tea party with little finger food nibbles, bake some cakes and watch some horror movies. And if you're an adult, watch some horror movies with some wine. So yeah, that's basically what I'll be doing this Halloween. I've got 3 looks in mind that I'm going to be doing. I absolutely love doing Halloween tutorials. They're my favourite thing ever. So in today's video, I'm going to be turning myself into this clown. I really hope that it's turned out good, because at the moment I'm looking a little bit, I don't know, a bit patchy, a bit oof. Elephant in the room, I've dyed my hair back black, guys. I really loved the plum, but then it was starting to go a little bit weird and I just thought, you know what, it's too much upkeep, I'm just going to go back to the black, and that's what we're doing. So this video is going to be long enough without me babbling on, so I'm going to be jumping into the Carnival number 2 palette. So this is the XL Pro palette with Stacey Marie, and I'm going to use as a black, which is called Lights Out, so this beautiful black shade, and I'm going to pop that straight into the brows because I want the brows to be quite dark. So pray with me, and I'm going to do my dark brows. So I'm going to use a Jessup's 322 brown liner pencil brush. And I'm just going to give myself some really dark brows. Oh, that's done a really good job actually. We're going for a bold brow look today. I'm going to set them in place by using the 24-hour brow setter from Benefit. So then I'm going to be using some of this moisturiser. This is the Avent Hyaluronic Vitamin C moisturiser. I got this in September's glossy box. So I'm just going to use this. I'm absolutely in love with this moisturiser. I love it so much. It's like a blue, it's got a blue tinge to it, and it smells beautiful and it feels gorgeous on the skin, and I'm really loving this at the moment. For primer, I'm going to use the e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer. This is such a gorgeous primer. If you haven't tried it yet, then I would definitely strongly recommend that you do. So I'm just going to leave that, let it settle into the skin, and we're going to do eyes. So I'm going to bring you guys closer. I think that's close enough for today. As always, I'm going to prep the eyes with the P. Louise base in Ruma 0.5. So now I've set the eyes. You don't need to set them with any powder or anything. You can just go straight in with colour. I'm going to do this eye first. So we're going to go into Prep Talk, which is that beautiful pink. And we're just going to pop that all into the crease. And I'm using a Jessup's 221 soft crease brush. And I'm just going to literally just firstly place that shadow down. And you can bring it as high as you want, because obviously this is a Halloween tutorial and you can do what you like. My brushes are going to need washing after this video, but am I going to do it? Maybe not, because I'm lazy. Oh my god, have you guys seen that box that Molly Mays brought out? I'm so tempted to get it. So tempted, but it's £110 and I've already, I know what my birthday present is because I asked my partner and he got it for me. So I've got the Glossy Box advent calendar and I can't wait to share that with you guys, but I have to wait for my birthday to be able to show you guys that. So just keep packing that pink on. I want to intensify it, so I'm going to go into Funky, which is that bright neon pink, and I'm going to, yes, that's what I want, a bright pink. So are you guys doing anything for Halloween? Have you decided what you're doing? I know that it's all with the restrictions in some places, that some people really can't do anything. But within your little family unit, are you guys doing anything at all? So I'm going to go into this, which is called Why Thought. And I'm going to pop that all into the crease. And I'm using my Real Technique brush, which is the Deluxe Crease Brush. And I'm just going to literally slap that all into the crease. Then I'm going to deepen that up with Make Waves, which is this really beautiful dark blue. I'm just going to deepen that up. I nearly went onto that eye. That would have been a catastrophe. I nearly did it again. Honestly, a bit more of the P. Louise, and then I'm going to cut the crease using that. Oh no, I did it. I knew I was going to do it eventually. Guess we're going a little bit purple on the outer corner. I knew I'd do it. I just knew I would. So I'm going back in with the P. Louise just on top. So on the pink eye, I'm going to go in with this shade called Ecstasy, which is that beautiful neon green. And I'm just going to pop that onto the cut crease. And I'm just using a flat brush to do that. I'm just getting my brush with the pink on and just blending any harsh lines. Then I'm going to dip into the shade Wasted, which is this beautiful purple shade, and pop that onto the outer corner of this eye. And I'm just literally rubbing it very gently on that outer corner. And then I'm going to dip into that black, which is Lights Out, and just pop that a tiny bit into the outer corner. Oh, I love that. So for this eye, I'm going to put an orange in the cut crease. And we're going to go in with this beautiful orange, which is called Lit. Darken it up, I'm going into a Lights Out, which is that black, and just applying a bit of that into the crease and on the outer edge. And then I'm just going to tidy that up a little bit. All about blending these kinds of looks is so like time consuming, because you just blend in and blend in and blending, basically. But I'm loving that so far. So I'm going to pop on some lashes. I'm just going to stick on some of these lashes from Amazon. Way too long, but oh well. They're very extra, but I think they're perfect for this look. So I'm just going to take you guys out now, because I'm going to concentrate on the face. Using this L'Oreal BB Cream Magic. It's basically a BB cream, as it says. Very clever, Tara. So yeah, it's just basically a light foundation that I've got at the minute. So I'm just going to actually maybe give it a shake with the lid on it, because I want the base to be light, but I don't want it to be like paint white, basically. I don't want it to be stark white. So this is the lightest I've got in my collection. To make it paler even still, I'm going to use the L'Oreal More Than Concealer in 320 Porcelain Bright. So I'm just going to put quite a generous amount of this on the face to make my face more pale. Using my Rimmel Stay Matte powder, I'm just going to set that all in place with the little powder puff. Okay, so I'm now going to attempt to do the little pointy bits on the brows. And then this clown's very sad, so we're going to have some teardrops coming down the eyes. like my Too Faced Melted Liquid Lipstick in the shade Melted Fuchsia, and I'm gonna use that to do the little love heart on the tip of my nose. So I'm going to use the Too Faced Melted Lip Paint. And then I'm just going to do the little clowny part of the lips. We're using the Ico black eyeliner pen. Guys, I hope you enjoyed it. Please give it a big thumbs up, subscribe, hit that notification bell so you get updated every single time I upload a video, which is normally on a Saturday, but today it's on a Sunday, so I'm really sorry about that. But yeah, if you did like this video, then you know what to do, and I will see you next week, guys. Bye.